Hi everyone, my name is Celeste. I am the homeschooling mom of 3 boys. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 different spelling activities that you can do with your children to practice their spelling skills. So if you're looking for spelling ideas, I invite you to keep watching. If you've seen our curriculum choices videos, you know that we mostly use Abeka for our spelling. So we've used Abeka, I would say most years for our spelling, with a couple exceptions for vocabulary and things like that. But for the most part, we've used Abeka. But if you know within the Abeka workbooks, you'll notice that they have a list. And then there are some activities that they put right into the book, but sometimes it's not enough. And sometimes also just nice to do some hands-on kind of activities to practice spelling. So in this video, I wanted to share a few of our favorite activities. The great thing about all these activities is that they are no prep or very minimal prep. If you're looking for something simple, easy, kind of just like that the kids can do on their own, I hope these activities will be helpful to you. The first activity is a rainbow write. This is a very simple activity where you can have your children take different color markers, crayons, pens, color pencils, and have them write their spelling list out in rainbow order. It's great for younger children to learn the colors of the rainbow color spectrum. It's also just fun to write in different colors. It's a little more exciting maybe than doing it always in a black ink or in pencil. So a rainbow write is a great first activity. The second idea for spelling and to practice your spelling is to use bananagrams. So we have bananagrams, which consist, if you've seen, of different letter tiles. So they come in letter tiles like this. Also, if you have Scrabble, you can use Scrabble tiles as well. And your children can lay these out on front of their desk or in the area that they like to work or play, and just work on spelling their words using these letters. You can come up with different games or ways that you can have them do this. But honestly, it's just fun to have maybe a manipulative, something a little more hands-on than just writing out the words. So bananagrams are another great way to practice spelling. The third idea for practicing spelling is using PlayDohs. PlayDoh is nice, especially for younger students that are working also on their fine motor skills. To get their little hands, they can take the dough, kind of, work it out and be able to spell different words. So it's really great because they can just work on spelling their words. They can use different colors. And again, it's a nice, fun, easy, different kind of way. I lost the L. The fourth idea is to do red and blue. You may have heard this before, but it's the idea of having your children grab a red and blue marker or pen and having them write out their spelling words, making all the consonants be blue and all their vowels red. This is great also for younger students that are trying to distinguish between vowels and consonants. So it's kind of working double in that it's helping them practice the spelling of their words, but it's also teaching them that great skill. Okay, I have saved the best for last. I mean the best because it's our kids' favorite. And it's the idea of a hidden picture. This is when you can have your child just grab a blank sheet of paper. You can even have one of those spiral notebooks that they can just keep all of their hidden pictures in. And basically they draw a picture of whatever they want, or you can give them a theme. You can do different things with it. And then have them hide their spelling words within that picture. Our kids love this, especially my younger 2 sons. So these are just a couple of their hidden pictures. You can make this very elaborate or very simple. They've drawn different things and then they hide their spelling words inside the pictures. So it's another simple idea that gets them creative, especially if you have children that love to draw, that love to do things hands-on. That might be a great activity for them. All right, a bonus idea is the idea of doing a spelling bee. It's actually something that we just did today in our homeschool, and we had such a good time where you can just kind of make your own little spelling bee at home. Have the kids, we have multiple children. They're in 7th, 5th, and 3rd grade. So I had them pick words from each other from their spelling list. And then I held kind of a spelling bee where they had to say the word, spell the word, say the word. And they really enjoyed it. It was fun. It's a different way to practice your spelling as well. Do you have any spelling activities that you enjoy doing in your homeschool that your children love, that they've enjoyed, that have been great and beneficial and have helped and make spelling a little more fun and hands-on, please comment below. Love to hear your ideas, things that have worked well for you. I pray that you and your family are well. I pray you are blessed. I hope you're having a wonderful homeschool week, and I look forward to talking to you soon.